In America, a single number silently decides your future, a number that follows you everywhere. From the day you become an adult to the day you die, this number decides whether you get a home, whether you get a car, whether a bank trusts you, whether you pay normal interest, or get trapped in debt forever. Most people don't even know how dangerous it is until it's too late. This number is your credit score, and today you're about to find out how a number created 30 years ago became more powerful than the government, more powerful than banks, and more powerful than common Americans themselves. In the U.S., you're judged before anyone meets you, not by your character, not by your honesty, not by your hard work, but by a three-digit number. You may be a good person, you may always pay your bills, you may be responsible, but if your credit score is low, landlords will reject you, banks will avoid you, insurance companies will charge you double, even employers will silently disqualify you. It doesn't matter who you are, only what your number says you are. And the scariest part? Your score can go down without you doing anything wrong. Long before people talked about credit score, there was nothing like this in America. Banks used to judge customers by personal relationships. Local bankers knew people by name. Loans were given based on trust. But in the 1980s and 90s, something changed. Companies like Fico, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion realized they could make billions by turning every American's financial life into trackable data. They created an algorithm, a secret formula that decides how worthy you are based on your debt behavior, not your income, not your savings, not your honesty, just your debt. And that formula is so secret that even the U.S. government doesn't fully know how it works. Most Americans don't know this, but the three credit bureaus monitor almost everything you do. Every loan, every credit card swipe, every payment, every missed payment, your spending habits, your total debt, even the number of times you apply for something. They collect billions of data points every day from banks, lenders, credit card companies, and stores. And then they sell your data for billions of dollars without your permission. People think Facebook sells data. That's nothing compared to the credit bureaus. These companies know more about your financial life than you do. Your credit score is not your friend. It is designed to punish you more than reward you. One late payment, your score can drop 60 to 120 points instantly. Use more than 30% of your credit limit, your score drops. Apply for loans too often, your score drops. Close an old credit card, your score drops. Even if you pay on time and handle your money well, your score grows slowly, painfully slowly. But one mistake, and it collapses like a house of cards. Why? Because when your score drops, banks make more money. Low credit score equals higher interest. Higher interest equals more profit. It's a business model. America is the land of credit cards. Free points, rewards, cashback, sign-up bonuses. It all looks beautiful, but behind this shiny mask is a trap. Credit cards charge 20% to 30% interest, sometimes even more. And once someone falls behind, the interest grows faster than a person can repay. A $1,000 balance can become $5,000 if someone just slips once. Millions of Americans are stuck in this loop, not because they're irresponsible, but because the system is designed to trap them. It's not personal, it's business. You might think banks want you to be debt-free, but the truth is the opposite. Banks want you in control debt, not too much that you go bankrupt, but enough that you keep paying interest for years and years. Today, America has over $1.3 trillion in credit card debt, $1.6 trillion in student loans, $1 trillion in auto loans, $12 trillion in total household debt. Debt is not an accident. Debt is a product. Debt is a business. Debt is the foundation of the American economy, and the people at the top make billions, while the average person struggles to survive. People are told, your credit score shows how responsible you are. But that's not true. A person who takes loans regularly and keeps small balances is considered profitable. A person who avoids debt and pays everything in full is considered unprofitable. That's why the score grows slowly for the responsible and faster for the indebted. It's not about responsibility. It's about profitability. Every time you swipe your card, every time you shop, every time you apply for something, the system calculates. How desperate is this person? How likely are they to borrow again? How much profit can we make? And based on your patterns, banks target you with more loans, bigger credit limits, more offers, more ways to get trapped. The credit system is not watching you. It is studying you. Yes, you can, but only if you understand the rules. Pay everything on time. Keep credit usage low. Don't apply for too many loans. Don't fall for banks' shiny offers. Build slowly but strategically. The truth is simple. The credit system is powerful, but knowledge is more powerful. The system may control the rules, but the moment you understand the game,